Good morning, children. Today we are going to see accountancy 11th sum. Already we completed 10 sums, right? Everybody listen carefully, see the board. From the following, find out total sales made during the year. Debtors on 1st January 2018. 1,30,000. Cash received from debtors during the year 4,20,000. Sales return 35,000. Right? Bad debts 15,000. Debtors on 31st December 2018 2 lakhs. Cash sales 4,60,000. So from this sum, they are given, these are the information, right? From this sum, what we want to prepare? We want to find out the total sales. If we want to find out the total sales, what we want to do? We want to prepare the total debtors account. Through the total debtors account, we can find the credit sales, right? So they already in the sum, they are given cash sales. If we find out the credit sales, then alone easily we can arrive total sales. See, listen, from this information, just we are going to apply the total debtors format. Last sum, everybody, we know that total debtors format, just we are going to apply this all the information, right? Debtors on 1st January 2018. That is in the sense that is opening debtors value. Cash received from debtors during the year. During this particular financial year, how much cash received from debtors? That value given. Sales return. Sales returns in the sense already we sold certain goods to our customer. That goods for some reasons they return back to us. So that we consider here sales return or return inwards. Both the term is same, right? Next one, bad debts. That bad debts, that is, it will not come that amount again, right? So that amount we want to consider we received. So we want to write this bad debts in the credit side. And then debtors on 31st December 2018. That is, we want to consider as a closing debtors. This cash sales, finally we will take, okay? Now shall we see the format? Already I hope everybody you know the format. According to that format, just we are going to write this sum, okay? So debit side, what are the items, debit concept you know, so that all the expenses we are showing in the debit side. Credit side, what are all the incomes we are showing in the credit side. So according to that principle, credit side first we will write, okay? See the sum. How much cash we received from during this financial period, how much cash we received from during the year. See the sum 4,20,000. So that amount we want to bring it here in the credit side 4,20,000, right? See, by cash received, and then we want to write 4,20,000. Next, sales return, that also that goods come inside our organization. So we want to consider that amount, again we want to add 35,000. So that also we want to write credit side by sales return. How much? 35,000, right? And the next one, bad debts. This amount it will not come back to us. So this is also we want to consider in the credit aspect. So by bad debts, how much? 15,000, right? And the next one, by closing debtors, that is debtors on 31st December 2018. Clearly they are mentioned 2 lakh. So that closing balance of debtors we want to bring here in the credit side. By balance carry down 2 lakhs, right? And in debit side, how much in the initial stage debtor balance. That debtor balance we want to write here. To balance brought down, okay? So like this we want to write to balance brought down. See the question 1,30,000. That 1,30,000 we want to write here, right? Okay, so now that all the transaction we carried here, okay? Debit sides also entered, and then credit sides also we entered all the item. After that, now firstly you add that credit side all the amount. Okay, 4,20,000, 35,000, 15,000, 2 lakhs. If we added this all the amount, we get 6,70,000, right? So totally how much we have? 6,70,000. In that, opening debit balance 1,30,000. If we subtracted from this amount, we get one difference amount. That amount is called 5,40,000. That we want to consider as a credit sales, right? This is the way we have to find out the credit sales. So already in the sum they are given the cash sales. Now we found just before credit sales. Total sales, that is in the sense if you want to find out the total sales, we have formula cash sales plus credit sales. How much we sold in the form of cash, how much goods we sold in the form of credit. If you added that two, we get what is the total sales. So cash sales, how much in the sums already given? 4,60,000. That we want to take from here. And then here we want to write. And then credit sales just before and we found. Okay, 5,40,000. This balancing figure answer we want to take and write here. So if you added this 4,60,000 plus 5,40,000, we get 10 lakhs. Okay, this is the way we have to find out the total sales, right? Same model, I give one more sum. So everybody listen carefully. This is the homework sum. So see the sum and then do and then submit, right? Okay, see the sum. From the following details, find out total sales made during the year. See, first transaction, debtors on 1st April 2018. That is that what is that? Opening debtors. Which side it will come? Debit side. To balance brought down. How much is? 50,000. Right. Second transaction, cash received from debtors during the year. Right. How much we received during the year? 1,50,000. Which side this transaction it will come? We consider as a credit. Okay, so credit side we want to write this transaction, right? Next one, return inwards. How much return inwards? 15,000. This is also which side we want to write? Debit side or credit side? Right, credit side we want to write. Next one, bad debts. Bad debts, how much is given? 5,000. Which side we want to carry this? Credit side. Okay, already I told the bad debts meaning, so we want to write in the credit side. Next one, debtors on 31st March 2019. That is closing debtors. Closing debtors value how much is given? 70,000. This also we want to write credit side. And then cash sales is given 1,40,000, but in the format we should not mention the cash sales. After we derive the credit sales, then we want to bring this cash sales. First, what we want to do? First, we want to find out from total debtors account. We first find out the credit sales. Then afterwards, we want to find out the total sales. Like this, you have to do this sum. So, thank you, children.